please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling.
Hello? Bling line, hello?
Bling bling.
Hi, Bo. Bling line, hello?
Bling bling.
Oh, oops, wrong phone. Bling line, hello?
Hello, lady.
Hi, Mr. Ndima. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Fantastic. Thank you so much for asking.
Otherwise?
Otherwise, I'll call Ndoputi. How can I help you?
I'm looking for someone in sales.
That's me.
Okay. Can I then speak to someone in customer support?
Hold on, I'll put you through. Customer support, hello?
Hi. Can I report the lady in sales?
Oh, what about her?
Yeah, she's a bit eager.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're reporting her for being eager, just making sure I got that. Is there anything that you'd like to happen maybe, or we just tell her to turn it down?
Tell her to tone it down. I could match. But I think you should really let her go. I could really use her skills on my podcast, which is called The Bling Line. Love that energy.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Mr. Ndima. We appreciate everything that
Cool. We'll just
Every
send her
week.
through then.
we'll call
I
you.
said,
Don't call us.
Us.
We'll call you.
I don't know if you understood me.
Yeah,
Us.
Mr.
The
Ndima.
customer
I'm
is
gonna
always
have to
right.
go now. I'm so sorry.
Don't let the customer
Boop, boop,
take
boop,
the
boop, boop.
timmer out of the word customer, and you're going to end up with cussing. Come on, Talita.
that was
Come
whack.
on.
That was
bro.
super whack, bro.
No.
Suka!
It's like my best work, bro.
No, it's really not, bro. I'm telling you now. Molweni guys, endlini, emakaya. Hope you guys are good.
What's up, everybody? What's happening?
Welcome to another episode of The Bling Line. And you know, we just get into it, yeah.
Yes. I thought you were going to say, and you know, together we stand, divided before.
Why would I say that?
You know, like that's I make so many references to things that people say. I make references to songs.
Yes.
So yeah, as long on money.
Uh-uh.
And you know, together we stand, divided we fall. Ngoma TKC. We really love this place today.
Oh, yeah. The music is playing.
Yes.
That's a good song.
Now I'm gonna crash kukabel.
Twice.
Oh.
Who didn't?
Oh, yeah, fair.
Yeah.
So why go you Beyonce?
Yes. Kabelo was definitely my Beyonce.
Ah, funny no too.
Tukulo.
Ultimate bad boy, galo.
Nah. He was.
I suppose because Upuga was a mixture between the two. He was
Yes.
like square in the middle
Yes.
of kind of like cheese boy, and
Kasi homie.
and Kasi guy. Yeah,
And wakumusha kamandi.
hey, kind of like me. That's cool. Huh?
Yeah.
I enjoy pretty.
Definitely kind of like you.
Ne? Mangikukela abantu bandi cheese boy kodwa futhi.
Walofu.
Yeah.
Yakabakwazi.
So ndiyintoni?
We hybrid.
That's so whack. Oh no!
Jack of all trades.
Oh yeah. Anyways, welcome to it, guys. You know what it is, a Bling Line. Your show, your reaction show, the show that we react to what you have to say. Thank you so much for making the show. No, without you, there is no us.
100%. This is for episode 92.
Okay. Yes. Okay. For episode 92. Bling Line episode number 25.
5, yeah.
Woo! Siyayibulela inkosi. Abongile nkomo. Uthetha ngomklimpinika. Unklimpinika is stage 1 bethunana before umzimba adheres to what the mind has succumbed to. Lamau and ayihleka.
It is stage 1.
There.
Yeah.
There. Beautiful. I didn't see this comment. Yes. Stage 1 before umzimba adheres to what the mind has succumbed to. Fair.
Yeah, 'cause
Ingqondo
your mind
seyilila
is-
yona.
Yeah.
So it's the untlimpinika is the time it takes for your tears to leave your brain and come out of your eyes.
Leave your brain.
I mean, look, it's your brain that tells you to cry.
Oh.
So the message,
Oh.
SMS, SMS ye kuntlimpinika, and then it message delivered ziyakhala or uyakhala. Not so.
Uyakhala because uyakhala.
Yakwazi untlimpinika ungakhali.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Abantu xa befuna ufeyika ukuba bona ungaphumi neyi-1.
Yeah, but sithetha ngontlimpinika kwamanyani.
Oh, I don't think so.
Nini? How untlimpinika? Ujalo sithi actor. What?
Imali dog.
Jukebox mntasekhaya. Thank you for that, Abongile. That is so succinctly put. It's beautiful. It's actually perfect.
All right, uthi undosh ndakhe nda-order i-expresso. Ngidunyelwe ligama. Also, it's not an espresso, it's an espresso. Kwaske kwathi isichenene sekofu. Dathi hayi 10 igaka. Musalisa Makola says the same. I did the same when I was at varsity. Ndaxakwa nakuyigqiba. Njani incinci?
Le espresso. It's strong kaloku espresso. You must remember, but it's normal coffee multiplied by. Yo, nobody yenza into endingazange ndayibona.
Uthi umpembe yena, it was very cold in Cape Town waiting for the boat to Robben Island. Me wanting to warm myself, I bought double espresso. How bad, I've never had an espresso.
You know what I realized? Like, singabantu. Siyathanda uzikhetshisa, man.
What do you mean?
Like, uzikhetshisa. Order lali espresso.
Oh, I thought you trying something new. When are you supposed to try new things?
Kwangabuzi, for example, firstly. Ilena choy uzikhetshisa kaloku kukwenza into ongakhange ubuze. Ubuze kaloku ba
Kaloku afuna uba ngathi usila
ile nto ntshoyo. Come on.
You'd rather just have that happen to yourself, not ba omnye umuntu athi ba yazi funile espresso nyani.
But no one's gonna say that. In the service industry, you at a coffee shop, Uti. What is an espresso?
But people don't want to look like Barry's, bro.
But that's so that's
But then you are a Barry anyway.
No!
Awungakwazi uyigqiba because imbi. You are a Barry. Oh no. This is terrible.
Chi, ukhabule isichenene ingaka mos espresso. Oh man. Man, guys, man, is it too much for us to ask? But man, yeah, it is too much to ask. Okay. Yeah, sanun mamela mna.
Thanks,
Espresso wokutheni impembe wokucimisa kwenza susu. LG East uthi a friend got engaged at his 40th and he said ayikho i-boyfriend ena 40. So I take it nozuko uqonde ayikho i-boyfriend ena 40 and decided ba ufuna molokwazana oDlamini. Hayi bama kancinci oDlamini. oDlamini kaba nike.
It's your gift to us.
Congratulations in advance. Samsuvela. Di gift. Yeah, son. No, I'm gifting myself, bro. The Express. Nizameni audience.
Baby. Trust her very much.
Oh wow. Yeah, no. Yeah, I mean, boyfriend enough 40. Are you guys joking?
You're just like, I have 1 month to make this untrue.
Come on, bro. Nah, bro, that's not worth it, bro.
Anikesile and sana nikese right sukufa.
Bakopile what? Bebe kopan.
So you think that they were just writing things they didn't think were true?
Bebe kopan, but also we gave it away nice.
Yeah, exactly.
Did we? Yeah, we did.
Apparently, according to them.
But
well, a lot of people thought it was a baby.
Why?
I don't know. I said something, you baby
Pretending I think they're fertile.
No. Well, someone said well,
yeah, son. Okay.
But if you haven't watched last week's Siblings Rivalry episode, uyibalisile bakwenzeka.
Yes,
And
correct.
yanazi nina.
Anibukeli.
Bukeli fling line yodwa. Aphosa zindaba sana.
Dango LG, much appreciated. Thank you so very much.
What do you Pushy M? Oh, relax Zuko.
Oh,
Akokwa pecs ezibhadlileyo and being a chief kwezilali phandle ngoku. Ngaphandle kokurhola i-1.5.
huh?
Ukhweliswa ngabahlali xa uyadama.
Push.
Nokutyela eplatini and not take away kwi-funerals zelali. Uye ubizwe ke xa kukhona imigidi unikwe
Awunobuya inkosi uPushi.
unikwe i-viceroy ne-old buck yakho wedwa, otherwise akho ndingako. Oh, unikwa nehashi ke to attend ezi
Pushi. How do you know all these things?
She obviously has. She knows. Why won't she know?
I mean, uyazi njani?
Mhlambi utatakhe inkosi. Yeah.
Okanye ukhe wanayo inkosana. In life, what you come across inkosana.
Batali 1.5 ne all back.
Wow.
That's wild.
Eish. Yeah, ne. Yintoni inkosi?
Chief.
Is counselor. Like, up and down, this is a counselor. Hey, I hope it's not going in trouble. All this chatter.
Babe slap it down because of my What counselor?
My what yamle. Flekaur, what yam run back.
I guess that's the equivalent.
Yeah. Okay.
But it's just that counselor yona ayiphakelo ayabona imigidi yaqonda shem. Just treated differently.
Sure. So bangani umfundisi nje.
Yeah, sure.
That's interesting. I actually never thought about
what the perks are.
Yeah. But also guys, please can explain the lingus perks. Pushy, I'm sorry. I mean, I've got no reason to doubt you, but
they don't sound perky enough.
Yeah. Yeah, but I guess also depending on by AP ward yakho.
Oh.
Ezinye mhlawumbe nyani. But ke nyani ilale nenkqubela. I'm pretty sure i-perks is more.
Yeah, I'm sure.
These lali zingena nkqubela. Iphuma apho lo abahlalini of
Indon
1.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, phone no kimigidi dala.
Dongapeli abangehash.
Wow.
After your viceroy and all back.
Yeah.
Nehash.
Yeah, no fair.
Thanks, Pushy.
Yep. Nomfi uthi then bafuna sikholelwe ukuba zi-aphrodisiac eziwe njani. Fonini oysters. But kaloku kufanele taste ne-aphrodisiac as natsiki as ngendawo.
Yeah, they don't have to be aligned.
Ayizizo. Ayizizo.
What the hell? What are you saying?
I'm saying Uba Travis. Yeah, son unhinged. Funny. I think singayikholelwa loo nto le.
Yeah.
Bazizo. Because that's got nothing to do with taste. What something does has got nothing to do with taste.
No, 100%, because zikhona into ezimbi ezikuncedayo. Do you know what I mean?
But also, to your point, Nomfi, that could be just like a sales technique because ngabantu siyathanda izinto. Siyazithanda izinto and ke if kuthiwe into yenza into ethile, hey kodwa hey nale comment yakho. Sorry man, and the half of the and I don't know.
Ukhona umuntu one-experience yoba yothatha oysters and they react like an aphrodisiac in your body. Just tell us.
Yeah, man, sorry. I thought this was something else. And he has, you know, an aphrodisiac. No, I just thought like Kulsinuel Afro. But
Don't lie.
No, serious,
I don't lie. Zuko. You're lying. Oh, we've been on this point now. All of a sudden, you don't know what this is.
Khona kaloku laa nto uba no deja vu ucimbe into wakho wayibona before ithini into phaa kodwa but I thought I knew the word.
Aphrodisiac into ekwenza Zuko.
Uthini? You got no brand nayo le ngoma ne? You're my aphrodisiac.
Andiyazi okwam.
Cela nisixelele guys uba yintoni aphrodisiac. Is it the English word?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, ndicela nibhale kwi-comments uba yintoni sicela uyazi uba yintoni aphrodisiac.
Thanks, Novi. Thank you so much. Uthi Bibi Bonek. Bonek. One day we're going to find out Zuko's not even a real person because.
What do you mean, man? Can't swear the funny.
Unfortunately, I'm well aware he's real. He's real here with me every week.
Oh no! What do you mean?
It was just funny. It wasn't unbelievable.
Yeah, but I feel like we all have like stories.
Yes.
Just I feel like being alive is like such a trip.
No, 100%.
And we all have stories, right? And in us having these stories, one thing I've realized about myself as well is that it's just that kukho stories then there's kumlayo and balisa like but like we all have those kinds of stories.
Yeah, true.
Like Songe, we've got those.
Yeah. It's just that the way ubalisa ngayo embellisha.
What do you mean?
Iti thaca esiswini. I mean, not everyone's going to tell that story that way.
Fair.
Also, that word, it's
Fair.
so... Like, if nega iti, like, that's the sound something makes.
Gross. Something about that. Also, okay, maybe the comment is here, maybe it's not.
Hey, Pichon.
You commented, yo, I'm trying to say, why bizela?
No,
Why inhaler?
Yeah, no,
oyster. Oh, imagine inhaling this is gaga. That's wild, but that definitely is what I did. Yeah,
thanks for the comment, Bibza.
Yeah. Sipesihle Portia. Uthi the closeness of it all. Sana uqala kwam ufika apha. Dandisiva ingathi ithi thokozaness of itonga.
Why? Why?
Oh no! Oh, funny. And this is the thing, right? Your brain will make something make sense because mhlambi wava into eyi-1 yena ne off it all mhlambi wava itonga. So what makes sense of itonga yikuthokoza. So
that's super wild.
Yeah. Hi, of all the things, umnoziva sana lam.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then when we talk about whatever it is that we talk about, and then it's got nothing to do with
Yeah.
Thanks, Portia.
Yeah, thank you for that.
Gossi says, oh, kondisitu ba iti the causaness of it.
But kaloku gazi.
But it's also written there.
The closeness of it all. That's so strange, man.
Also, why was this the episode that people decided to talk about the closeness?
I think we said something about it. The closeness of it all.
Oh, we're talking about Dave saying
Yes.
the closeness of it all. Okay, show me. Thanks.
One day we'll ask the incredible voiceover artist to do it live. We'll have to bring him when we have a live show. I am live, large and in charge. Kanyisa Zazini, Uti, unrelated guys, please. When people say or do izinto that offend you intentionally because bakwazi as this calm person, umxelele ba bro, andiyithandi le way uyenzayo. Xa umphendula krwada umntu othuke abe ekuqhela kakubi. Hey, Khanyi. Uxolo ngophuma emxholweni.
It's fine, Joe.
Kutheni ndi-excited izindaba zikaMtamzubhela? Nam ndikwaba bathi kuvulelwe amandwendwe.
That's super cute. Also, why do you know people like that? Oh my gosh, that sounds so annoying. Do you know one thing that I've learned to say, Umdu is being especially intentionally weird?
Yeah.
You just ask them, are you trying to be helpful or hurtful? With the sincerest face.
You're a big person. Cool.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
I'm not. Sometimes man ba caught up kule nto kaKhanyisa imphendule ngelanguage asayiva.
But that's more embarrassing
Sure.
to them, for sure, especially xa kwabanye abantu. And obviously, a lot of the time,
clever.
Ezenza clever, and a lot of the time, umntu uzozenza clever phambi kwabanye abantu. So mbuze kakuhle, as mad as you are, but are you trying to be helpful or hurtful?
Ubungcangcazelo usithi.
Ubungcangcazelo akakwazi ukwazi ukuphendula. But izoma naye imeme and akazugeza.
Because no one on this earth is going to say I'm trying to be hurtful.
No.
Akekho. Not unless lo mntu lowo akaphili. But
exactly. But
I'm trying to be hurtful.
No one's going to say that. Because uzenza clever. According to them, uzenza clever.
Yo, that's a good one.
Yeah, bro. And then it's just embarrassing because you can't say anything. And so long as you say, oh, nonsense, you do it. Velilo.
Yeah.
Because fighting doesn't work.
Iyafuna fondini. Ifuna upractice ukuyipractice uphaka kwenu wedwa. Especially xa ungengomntu oqhelileyo ithethe. Whether umntu umphendula wrong or awumphenduli at all. You know what I mean? Because a lot of people bayadefeateka ngabantu abalawo.
Yeah, true.
Umntu end up etshona emboneni.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I'm with Talida on this one.
Yeah, because bringing the same energy doesn't help you.
With like that thing of, never argue with the fool because they'll build you. They'll bring you down to their level and beat you with experience.
Yeah.
Fonini uwena usabetha ngezithuko ezilight yona athi Jacula athi ngonozala.
Not unozala catching smoke.
Can't tell you, bro. Ma umnozala aska ngela kakubi don. What? Nozala. Oh.
Dog.
Wow. Yeah, but anyways.
I hope uncedekile.
Yes.
Kanye,
yeah,
but
yeah.
Also, if ngumntu who's constantly in your life, makaphume son. Because wow.
Yeah, no, I'm a guy that come nigga matching orders. Send them to the electric chair. Thanks, Kanye. That's your comment, Tali.
Sipesihle Mningiswa says, oh, sana, poo. Butsuko, it's getting married.
Yeah. The
excitement on Talida's face is priceless. And that's why Daddy came to visit. Beko busy ngengxoxo zamalobolo. Also,
yeah, it's specific.
Incoko ye family tree nifike njani apho. So it makes sense bangumtshato lento. I'm a chef by profession. Ndifaka earpods every day emsebenzini. Hayi ke Friday ndimane ndinithi jab. Ndinimamele ngendlebe because I have a lot of chopping to do xa ndisenza prep. Kwari yam kukuzi gravaza iminwe. But I can't miss your episodes. I've been thinking of starting my own cooking business for some time now, but it's been naso because in my area wonke umuntu uyapheka, abanye bayabenga so ndiyoyika ingahambi nalo business.
No, kaloku suthengisa isibindi kaloku xa ungenaso. Thengisa like something else, yabo? No.
What the person is saying, you know that. Oh my God.
Uyapheka. Uqala ibusiness but akanaso isibindi.
Idiots. Oh.
Fondini, okay. Look, I mean,
imagine if a restaurant in a mall was the only restaurant in the mall and all the other restaurants didn't want to go because there's already a place that sells food.
100%. I was going to go exactly there. Uguti, at the end of the day, uyakwazi ucheka basecako ulis and people will go to...
They'll make a choice.
The people will make a choice.
Yeah.
Based on what it is that...
they need or want.
Yes.
Or like.
So again, my marketing brain is going to say to me, based on what are the differentiators? What is your unique selling point? What makes you different from other people? Lenon Choiba, isibindi is always going to be a challenge, but I think to not get stuck in the sibindi part, but to rather get stuck into indonly kwenza ungabi nasibindi. What is it that you're not sure of? And if there's something that you're not sure of, double click onto that and kind of solve for low X, which will then bring you closer to a point of then being able to do it. Yeah, I think so. Abanye bayabenga. I wonder uphi specifically yes. No ngoba nje uyi-chef P. That would be interesting to know.
I say try, bro.
I try, Mchan.
If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But if it works...
Yes. And also, would you have to leave... Yeah, you see.
Would you have to leave your workplace?
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's a security thing also that we hold on to.
No, absolutely. But yeah, now I'm with Talita on this one. Absolutely. Give it a bash, bro.
And ngafuna ubuzibuza ba. I wonder ba nani ndizamile la nto ngokuya.
Yeah.
Akuzoba njani.
Yeah, no, for sure. Easy. Thando Nonquba uthi lobola negotiations might be a baby on the way to Klando Aphrodisiac. Oh, is that what?
What?
Abantu bathi baby. Baby bebengenaphi? Baby ebe nobody land besithethe nge-Aphrodisiac.
No.
Okay. I love dark humor. Oh, favorite. And after that, I sent Talita a thing that I saw at Dark Humor. And she was just like, oh, I love this so much. Do you want to tell people what you're laughing at? Why didn't Talita answer the same questions about Uzuko? Hey, be episode yakhe foni no sisters befuna yena uba all eyes on her for a change. Shem, that's a guy. Uthi Uthando Nonquba goes on to say, I love oysters and I thought I wouldn't for the longest time because I once saw a Mr. Bean movie where he threw them in someone's purse and I thought that these must be really bad. Kind of been missing out. I definitely want to hear a story of Ikusha.
No, not you basing life choices on a Mr. Bean episode.
Fondini, uPeter uyayazi umuntu. Abanye bana zinto bangazityiyo and aniyazi ba why ningazithi. uPeter uthando uyayazi and you also got to a point whereby you actually managed to
defy
the
Mr. Bean logic.
Ungathi uyabo usifingela intshiya usicela hayi mna ndizityiyo istars.
Wake was try.
Ewe ubona ibras the sushi. And he give me sushi. And that's okay. And that's one of the big problems that we have, Nyani, sometimes as people. What was happening in Kusha?
Ikusha.
Yo, Andy Libele go. I'm gonna have to go back and watch this episode and check Bandi.
I think you were saying something about Mnandani ngafunu ikusha. And then I just stopped you, but there was no real story there.
There was a story.
That's the story.
Why wangafunu inyama kusha? You see, guys, there's always a story, man. God, I always don't want to tell stories. This is the only thing.
Because I didn't want to see it. Ipila for nini and then oh man, it just made me sad.
Oh, when that was your imagination.
Yes.
Yeah,
obviously. And then because then they develop blind.
And then I email a memory in your head. Go.
Yeah, then daye kubukela xa ibulawa.
Oh! So ngoku yayitya sebushari.
Siyabulawa zonke bos.
Nikhohlakele Tali. Sure. I mean, a lot of people get that, I'm sure.
Yeah, and I was a child also. So even now, like and like it's not like I'm around. Like I'm busy doing something. So I don't have to be around. But it just made my heart sore.
Ne, bakwana ngongxaki izandlwane. Man, the Gauteng niki nyama zamaxhego. Phathi son.
Okay, so cool.
Umxolisi Mxolisia. Mxolisi AJ Shele. Uti the ending regarding oysters is dusting me. It's reminding me of my first and only time eating mussels or oysters on a failed first date. What? I didn't know the schematics or techniques of eating them. Siblings! Did I not end up eating the whole thing? Ngamosha amazinyo ne gums zam for 2 weeks because I didn't know how to scoop out inyama. Wachikolo! No ways, bro. Inobunjani umlomo zizimnqenqe. You
2 weeks.
Udini baby girl?
Of course it was a failed date.
What fail is why Leno? You know why come mnanamba noma is serial killer le. What? Yo.
That's so intense.
To scoop out inyama. Sikuthi inyama futhi lando. Ayo nyama le.
But also
he
obviously had more than one because
sana wapanza wafa wena kule. Uthula nalomntu hamba naye.
This is my whole thing.
But uthini phone nomuntu kwesenza lonto le.
Ayikho njalo futhi.
Funny, do you know if pressure first date? Mhlambi nayo xa kwangeyakhe le delay.
Why would you order things you don't know on a first date? Also.
Kaloku you try to impress her as catchy. Funny no I do you first date nomntu opotential ubuthe.
Itya rice lo uyazi.
Oh, burger and chips. Oh.
Yeah, but look how far that got this man.
Yeah. That's so hectic, man. Also, yeah, and I think just to lunga la point ayo nyama le.
You muscle.
Muscles is hlunu man nyama le. Wow. Yeah, I son.
So sorry about that. We're glad that you recovered.
No manzana mazinyo.
Ne gums for 2 weeks.
Let's hope you're still young.
Chewing on shells.
That's so hectic.
Wild. So sorry about that, Polisi. Uti Malwande or Xam refers to rock monitor lizards. In a figurative sense, it can be used to describe people who are cunning, sly, or opportunistic. Paqula means to grab, snatch, or seize. The reciprocal form indicates that the action is being done to each other. Therefore, oqamba paqulana can be translated in an idiomatic translation.
Antifa.
It's often used to describe a situation where opportunistic people are engaged in a conflict or a struggle, each trying to outdo or take from the other.
Or mhlawumbe zizikemazi zaskemane. Oh yeah. Yeah, Malwanda funny misleading le profile picture yakho. Kole nto ibhalileyo show. Ayihlikisile. Straight. I like it.
At least unxibe idiaper club. How do you know someone's serious? They're wearing a tie.
With a clown face. Maybe not. Short, thanks so much. It's very much straightforward, to the point. Makes perfect sense.
Yep.
Love it, love it, love it. So then we are going to say ukuthi abantu ababufana so udibene nentanga yakhe ondanga okay sure okay perfect 100%. Bomi Kwetri. Hi, Bomi Kwetri. Lol. It's not all word, Bandase. Kaloku amahlelo ngamahlelo ezibizo. Noun clauses. So only nouns are categorized phaya kula mahlelo. Ukutya, the noun, is ihlelo 15, but ukutya, the verb, is not.
Oh, okay.
Both pronounced the same. Kule example yakho, ukuhamba or ukubaleka zisenzi. Zizenzo. That's correction. Zizenzo.
Hey, what's wrong with verbs? Words, doing words.
Not izibizo. So azikho kula mahlelo.
Oh, got you.
Khawuze nazo.
Into nje.
Got you lo. Andikethanga.
You can't say, so you can
ukutya
say as in to eat, as in food.
Food
is a noun.
Yes.
Which fits into ihlelo 15.
Yes.
Ukutya, which is a verb, to eat, doesn't fit in ihlelo.
Okay.
Because it's a verb.
Okay.
So it has to be a noun.
Ukuhamba no
Yeah.
ukubaleka zi-verbs ezo.
Yes.
Ayizo nouns.
Yeah. Izibizo.
Maybe kaloku mhlawumbe noun kaloku ukuhamba. Okay, I'm being silly. I'm being silly. Okay, fair. That makes perfect sense, actually. But I confuse Lendo. Ukutya, food.
Yes, now.
Ukutya, to eat. So, Kandi, okay, to demonstrate that uyazi Lendo uyivile. Kandi pe omnye uhlelo 15 uyi-1 ke ukutya.
Don't know, kaloku what the others are. Uku. But things that start with uku are verbs, though.
So there's only one shell of 15. And that's why ukutya for ukutya uhlelo 15. Yeah, 15.
Yes, because everything else that starts with uku is literally is to do something.
Ukudama.
Don't ukudama.
Is to do. Amanzi xemile utadamile ukudama.
No,
but it says it's verbish.
Yeah.
Because ukudama is an action.
Yes.
It's what's happening.
Yes. It created a dam.
Yes.
So is ukutya the only hlelo 15? Also, what is a hlelo, bruh?
It's
you didn't say.
Noun classes, amahlelo ezibizo are noun classes. Hlelo is a noun class.
Okay.
Uku.
Oh, okay.
So ihlelo uku.
Oh, okay.
So irongo lento kade uhlelo 15. Uthi kukutya. Unless it's the only one in the class. It's impossible though for ukutya to be the only verb You're the only noun in the class.
Why not? Why?
Oh, come on, bro. Lama kama maninzi kangaka. IsiXhosa.
But can you think of another uku word?
Under pressure kaloku ngoku.
Okay, we'll give you till next week.
Wow. Wazafonela ubomkazi. Ndifakele isityandwana yam.
Thanks for that, Bomokazi. That's very eye-opening as well.
Yeah.
Uchi ukwezi E. Another thing that I share no Sis T, I'm also a laughing person. For real, but super dark too. Sister Lita seems like she had to grow up in Ngani. Engekabaweli ukukhula because of wena Tamzwai.
Hayibo. Tomenzana. Manyoko. Hlelo 12. Yadlala ngihlelo 12. Yakwenza ntoni mfana? Do you feel like you had to grow up quickly? Never mind.
I was only
You're gonna say yes and you kind of and then you only 2 years old when you had to start changing my nappies.
Yeah, exactly.
Are you joking?
I'm the last one at home, but I feel like they were forced to grow up faster than my siblings. Oh. I personally
siblings are irresponsible.
I personally think that causes those dark humorous.
Whoa! What a link! What?
I'm just guessing. I might be wrong, but I'm slowly learning how to move from my dark thoughts just by distancing myself to stuff that doesn't need me. Kwande. Thank you.
Fair.
That's an interesting way to think about it.
Uba, you having to grow up quicker than...
It was a bit dark.
Was a bit dark? Because you're just like, ne?
Alles is nonsense. So.
That is quite interesting.
That's very interesting.
Yeah. Thanks for that, Crazy E. Hulelo B, uthi, ndakhe nda-order i-bone marrow kweza ithambo elinomongo andalila e-restaurant. Bengasaxolisi abelungu. Oh, it makes sense now. Uthi bandiphathela i-lamb chops. I was pregnant. Andalila. Yo.
What did you think bone marrow was?
Ewe. But maybe why don't on the bone. You understand? So nyame ninzi as a tangent.
Not the people having to say sorry.
Ask please. Shame where's no Sparta. So okay, obviously that had something to do with something. Oh yeah.
That's hilarious. So sorry to go through that, but it's funny.
Yeah. But you also did that to your own self.
Isenati Ingosi says, while Sisekwi note of marriage allegedly by comment section.
Yeah, zakusowisha for defamation.
Dikhalela uva itake yakhe kulomba amadoda avumelekileyo tata ifani zabafazi.
I mean, what's that?
What is that?
Yeah.
What is the purpose of that?
I don't know.
What is the actual point of that? I don't get it at all. It almost sounds like yenziwe ngumlungu not umuntu omnyama.
Hayi man, yabona ndingumntu wazo ndiyabhiliva ngazo nebhathi.
Intoni?
Afuneka apply yonke indawo.
Intoni?
Ezano say equal rights. What's good for the goose is good for the gander.
My thing about that is that abantu already baya kwi-shows besithi ndikhangela utata wam ngoba izinto zam azindihambeli kakuhle because ndinesename kamama ngoku ndifuna like there's that whole world that exists of having the wrong surname and therefore needing to change it for certain reasons.
Yeah, man.
Why?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. But I suppose in order to understand something, you need to get to the root of it, right? We need to get to the root
to the why. Yeah,
to the why. So seku sithwa amadoda anga kwakutheni kuze kuthiwe xa utshata funeka ibali late lithathe sename. You understand? So
for the kids.
Like I would love to see because obviously now that was also something constitutional, right? So it would be very interesting to kind of find out, but in yeah, and kind of take it from there. Otherwise,
it's a strange thing.
Yeah, it's a strange thing. Because I'm also of the opinion, but if uchata nomntu athi andifuna uthathise nemyakho bhuti, then kubhlungu phi.
Nowhere.
But I got enough trouble language, so I take it back. The joke.
So sorry. Thank you, Isenati.
Pascalina. Util Pascalina. Zuko is effortlessly funny. Guys, please get that oyster out of him. Did you hear it still in his lungs? It's early oyster for Nil. Some yapila no pila, pa. So, yeah, okay.
What happened?
Ibulawa inoni oyster if ayiphekwa?
Ungabikho semanzini.
Oh, fair. What? So oyster ziyasuffocate wazona.
So indoni inezi lungs inandoni like
oyster.
Indoni.
Oh, young, I did some
And just by indoni, because is it an animal? Is it a sea animal? Not everything in
it's
the
not
sea
a plant.
is an animal.
Seaweed. It's an animal.
The oyster island, Bumi Pel. Yo, I need says off. Hi, Angias. Any players are ye? The sand. The oyster ngena became okay.
The oyster kaloku yiyo eqeshiweyo. So
not even playing anymore. Guys,
Shelly effect. Or mine. The oyster.
It's minor.
But not minor like under 18. Like
is mine. Guys, thanks so much for joining us today. Oh, Zuko's not a real person. You guys are right. Sorry, I take it back.
I know the oyster. Oh man.
Nobody oyster. Thanks for joining us, guys. Please. Now next week, ningadinwa ukufaka i-comments.
Laitsi, same time, same place. You know what it is. Sibling rivalry over and out. Peace.
Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling Line.